Hi YouTube, Timothy Unkert here with a little bit of a deeper look at inheritance in the Dart programming language. So I showed you in the last video how we could inherit a method, but we had properties that were basically static. We couldn't create different student names and so on and so forth. So in this video, I'm going to do that. So I'm going to create my main function, and we'll continue with our class of person, but we're going to change it up a little bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a nullable string, and we're not going to set it. So we're going to give that the name, so that's going to be for the name. And we'll get an integer for the age, which is also nullable. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do our constructor. So we're going to do our constructor for person with this dot name and this dot age, okay? And we'll also do a description method. So our description method will print name is age years old, okay? All right, so that's our person class, and now we want to have our student class extend the person class. So it wants to inherit from the person class. So I'm going to say class student extends person, and we're going to have the GPA not be set right here. We're going to set it when we create an instance of the class, and we're going to have a constructor for this, and we're going to take the name and the age from the person. So we're going to do super.name, super.age, and then this.gpa, okay? Then we'll create a grade description method. And just for the purposes of showing you that I can include a method from the super class, or the person class in this case, I'm going to do super.description here. So I'm going to call that method. And then I'm going to also print name. Let's just print name has a GPA. Okay, and let's save this, and now go back to the main function here and create a couple instances of the student class. So I'm going to say student S1 equals student, and we'll do Tim 46 4.0, and we'll do student S2 equals student, let's do Billy, and he'll be 23 and have a 3.5 GPA, and we'll do student S3, and that'll be a student. We'll do Joey, and he'll be 19 and have a 2.9 GPA, okay? And now what we'll do is we'll call S1.gradeDescription. We'll call that method. We'll call S2.gradeDescription, and we'll call S3.gradeDescription, okay? And let's save this, and now let's run it. So we'll do Dart inheritance.dart, and you'll see that we get the description method from the person class, and then the rest of the grade description method for each of these items, and we're individualizing the values of the name, age, and the GPA for each new instance of the class we create. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.